Stop overthinking. Just hurry to me. Don't be sad. Come eat something first. The path has obstacles, but you've done so well.
Brother Tiger, I want to try once more.
Brother, I know you won't give up. This is my savings. Use it to start again.
Brother Tiger, how are you doing?
I knew you could do it. I'm okay, no need to worry.
I can't wait to see Brother Tiger. Brother Tiger, why keep it from me?
I'm afraid you'll lose focus.
Brother Tiger, I'll share everything with you.